Can you tell us when you started cooking lechon?
We started when I was since 1965.
Wow, 1965. And
Maybe I'm only 3 years old. I said 63. 2 years old pa.
how did you learn how to cook lechon?
May akong papa.
Papa.
Sa'yo lang
Oh,
ako.
kulang kuya.
Nag-start akong papa, kanang service lang no house, nawag siya, na magpalitson. No, to naka-start me. And then daghan nakatilaw nga taste good. No? Mo na nga akong papa, kung naay mga murag na yung party, tawagon siya, mag-home service lang. That started that.
It started with the father.
Oh, so start with your father, and then he teach you how to
Yes.
cook. And then, what makes your lechon special?
Sa amo lang no kung imog yung tarungon ng trabaho asim kasing-kasing imong pagtrabaho nga kuan gyud kung imong ginauna dili pang commercial no trabaho nimo as if nga imuha ang imo ikaw may mukaon.
Yeah, that's good.
How do you make the skin so crispy?
Kanang lisod sa na siya makakuha nato sa uban pero sa amo naami gibutang sa skin nga aron maparehas og kolor. Nakita nimo imong litson? Wapong kolor no? Oo.
Fair skin.
And how many hours do you roast?
Depende sa gidak-on. Katuin mo small,
Yeah.
maybe 1.5 hours.
Okay.
O the most. Kung
hours.
if rust, 1 hour and 15 minutes. But maayo gid kung mga isa ka oras og tunga para masuktanan tong sa sulod. Pagkaon nimo humok, no? And then taste good kaayo kung may pagkaluto.
And does he use coal or is it wood for the fire?
Mas katong kahoy man to no among gikuan. Pwede ta mo katong uling itawag natong uling ita school no. Pwede po ta mo tawag katugyong fire kay da kanang mas kusog siya mo siga mas nindot ang iyang panit. Oo. Mo na siya technique diha sa kuan oh.
This technique.
Are you able to tell us what kind of spices you used for the
For the whole
the
the whole litson, the spices.
Yes, po.
Inside.
We have onions, garlic, black pepper, that is ground pepper. No, we have some seasoning, but the most is I don't know kung naanay ba kuan dito kanang lemongrass. If there is a lemongrass,
Lemongrass
there's
in
lemongrass in
Yeah,
California.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
What's the best way to eat lechon?
What do you mean? What the best way?
Like, do you use a sauce, vinegar? What do you recommend?
For me, you just try it without any sauce.
Without
Yeah.
any sauce.
Without
You don't
any
need
sauce.
any sauce.
Oh, yeah.
The lechon itself tastes good.
What's the best part of
But
the lechon?
you can add if you want kanang seasoning, just soy sauce, and then vinegar. But the most is the suka.
Yeah, sukang pinakurat.
Yeah, not
Pinakurat.
suka pinakurat, but the suka nga Bisaya.
Yeah, the
Just put it a little bit salt,
salt.
a little bit salt, and then spices.
Oh, wow.
You just try it.
I try. Yeah. Wow.
Try it later.
So when you finish the roasting,
Yeah.
do you use more? Do you paste it again?
No.
That's it.
No.
That's done.
That's it. When we're ready to cook, until it is done, kaya may na gina siya. Okay na gina siya.
Oh, you can eat.
Ready to eat na. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
Wow. Perfect. Okay po, thank you so much.
The biggest we have the small,
Yeah.
only 6.5, and then the medium is only 8,500. That is
Okay.
more or less 30 kilos
30
sa
kilos.
live. And the big one, the large is 10,000. good for 60 packs.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
That one, it will accommodate maybe almost 25 to 30 heads.
Yeah,
Wow.
the 6'5".
Yeah, 6'5".
Yeah, just having small gathering.
Wow.
We always ka ng almost every other day, nag-ship me pa Manila. Oo.
How?
Ang atong 10,000 diri sa ila, 25,000.
Wow.
It's
You just
expensive.
add 1,500 for the prep, the packaging, and all the things we need in packing.
Wow. How many do you cook every day?
Average of 50 to 70 heads per week.
Oh my.
Per week. That is only the ordinary time.
Yeah.
But it's season,
During Christmas.
December.
Yes,
One
that.
pizza uno pa ingon sa 30, maybe 1,000 heads.
Wow.
Oo.
Wow.
But the fiesta sa Iligan, one day only 300 to 400 heads we cook
One day.
in one day.
On one day.
Yes.
Wow. Amazing.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, because we tried in Cebu, right? We
Yeah,
tried
we
the
tried
lechon. So I'm excited to try your lechon.
You wanna try in California? Well, asa napit sa California?
Sa near Los Angeles po. Yeah.
Sa Los Angeles?
Opo.
Nag-cook man ko. Giuli me, that was when my dad died 2006. I think 2007. Na digto mi, naglitson mi. Among mga suki from Texas,
Really.
from Delano, that is
Delano, Texas. Yeah.
almost
They cook
middle
lechon.
of San Francisco and LA.
Oh, yeah.
Digto mi nag-cook mi.
Wow.
Daghan mi kaayo og suki digto. Tag $2,000 to $250 each.
Wow.
Oo, kami nagkato ni.
Amazing. Is this your only location here?
Yes.
Okay.
Kini lang dayon daghan mig branches pero mostly kana
Here in Iligan.
Iligan.
illegal lang.
Wow.
Nag-try sa amo Manila, gusto nila mo mag-franchise.
Franchise.
Pero ako mama di man gyud mosugot mong franchise kay sa kana sila sila nga ang ato tuan. Mo na nga di gyud mi ka-explore po dito. But pero sa amo ang mga igsuon gusto namo nga makaadto. Mao nang daghay ko na Tagaytay nag-book og para sa franchising. Gusto nila sa mga player kay diri man gud na sila naka-testing sila diri. Mo sila nga mag-try mi nga mo franchise. Sige sila kuan ko nga sige lang basin og madayon ra ang franchising pero andiri sa Mindanao di may mabutang franchise kay kami man paingon man sa Cagayan gapaingon man next week sa next maybe sunod semana sunod bulan paingon na mi dito.
They will be expanding.
Wow. Okay.
Jaime's Lechon. The ones
Jaime's
who carry
Lechon.
in the order.
So Jaime po, the name Jaime.
It's my papa na ko.
Your
Jaime Jimmy po ko.
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Oo. Pero ako gyud mo na pag human sa kong papa diri mi ni-graduate no sa Lechon sa cook sa Lechon. Diri mi ni-graduate. Ako sa akong mga igsuon po diri mi nakahuma pang eskwela. Oo, then ako mga anak nakakuan po naka-benefits gyapon di sa Lechon. Kaya ako naman po mo'y nakakuan ani kanang branches sa Iligan. Ako mo'y nagunit anang atbang sa may Cosmopolitan kanang karon.
Sa
Amo mga suki Cagayan, Davao. Oo. At dito sa tindahan. Try lang ka mo i-agi siya kung gusto siya. Pwede kasi mo agi ugma sa tindahan. Okay.
Sige, dapit ko
Anytime. Atbang sa may yes,
sige.
kana atbang sa Cosmo.
Okay.
Highness Lechon na dako kayo nga karatula. Oo, pangita ang Highness Lechon.
Try na mo kayo mag-breakfast.
Okay, sige, paabot ko ninyo.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Sige.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay po. Thank you so much for the interview. I'm excited to try the Jaime's Lechon today. So,